Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials quickly. Check that your device has a stable connection and that you are signed into the correct Google account. Once done, open the Gmail app and force a manual refresh by pulling down the inbox. This triggers an immediate sync. Make sure background data and battery saver settings allow Gmail to run, otherwise the app won't sync in the background. These steps force the first exchange between your device and Google servers, so you can see whether the waiting for sync issue clears. Once the initial checks don't fix it, dig into app and account settings. You should clear the Gmail cache first because cached data can become corrupted and block sync. If needed, clear app data but know it will re-download mail. Next, remove the Google account from device settings and add it back. This resets tokens and permissions. Also make sure the Gmail app is updated. If the store shows no update, reinstall the app to replace faulty binaries. These steps reset sync state and resolve deeper software issues. To finish, verify server-side by logging into Gmail on a desktop browser. If mail appears there, the problem is device-specific. Once done, reset network settings or switch to a different Wi-Fi or cellular network to rule out ISP or local router issues. If sync still fails, back up your data and consider a factory reset. This removes lingering conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: check Google account security alerts. If Google blocked access for security reasons,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.